Big Kountry YouTube channel. And guys, if you've been following along, you know that we're in the 7 days of country, and this is the final video before we give away the Bully of Mexico and $5,000 cash. So 7 days this week, we've been doing a video every single day. So if you missed those, go back and watch, because it tells you all about the Bully, what it's good at, what it's done, and how long it took me to get there, guys. It's been a long week. Big Kountry is sweating because he's put into work for this YouTube and these videos. But guys, if you're just following on, every single day we hit them with a jingle before we get started.
Let's hear it, Country.
On the 7th day of country, country gave to me, getting the Bully ready for you.
Country.
Guys, first thing we got to do with this puppy to get her ready for the new owner is Big Kountry has pretty much, look at this. Oh man, that's bad. We got to get a new tire on this puppy. We got to change oil. We got to clean the injectors. We have got to get this thing right, touch up the clutch. I mean, we got to get on it because, I mean, I want this thing to be dialed when you guys get here to pick it up. That brand new Dunlop Q5. Still got the tits on. Big Kountry ain't never had new tire before. And then I'm giving it to one of you guys. Are you kidding me? Probably burn the tits off of it just before you get here. I mean, you take the fuel tank off, it's just a work of art under there. Carbon fiber air box lid, the anti-gravity battery. Look how clean everything is. It's literally like a brand new motorcycle. We got the injectors out, now we gotta get them home, put them on the injector cleaner, clean them out, and then we'll be on to the next thing. Look at that pretty oil flowing. That's what I'm talking about. what your oil looks like when you change it 3 or 4 times in 1,000 miles. It stays looking like brand new. Watching this video and you just can't contain yourself, you know right now the members on the Big Kountry YouTube channel, they can buy a sticker, but you, the general public, you gotta wait till tomorrow. So you could hit join and jump in, and for $5 go ahead and get your sticker before they're sold out. Hey, brother, I got kind of a problem I need some help with.
What now, Country?
Well, you seen where I'm doing the giveaway for the Bullion Mexico, right? And, well, I've been saying I'm going to give away $5,000. Well, the problem is, brother, I don't got $5,000. So
I told you you didn't have $5,000, you idiot.
I know, brother. I mean, I thought that my check last week would have covered it, but see the way the taxes come out and the way my bank works, I ain't got it. So you think maybe if you loan it to me after the giveaway, I'll be able to get the money back to you?
What about the last time I loaned you money, Country? Remember? Valentine's Day? You wanted to take Hayley Rose out to dinner? I gave you the $100.
You still remember that?
Yeah, you never paid me back, Country.
Well, I guess I'll pay you $5,100 back.
When?
Dude, after this giveaway, I mean, I'm gonna be, high rolling after that. Brother,
So
you know I'm good for it. You know I'll pay it back. My credit score is like a 430.
You know that it goes all the way to 850, Country. Your credit score is terrible.
That's almost 50%. Brother, I just, if you can help me out this time, that'll be good.
How much do you need?
5,000.
So you don't have none of the money you promised?
Well, no, see, I had to change the oil on the bully and a bunch of stuff. So I spent all the money.
So if I give you money, I want to hear the date of when you're going to pay it back.
Well, April 18th, the bike is going to be going live. And I mean, no way it lasts more than 24 hours. So, I mean, it'll be back quick, brother. You just got $5,000 just laying around like that?
Country, this is nothing. You should have this much.
Gosh. All right, guys, I got the cash money. $5,000 coming out right here. $46, $47, $48, $49, and $55,000. All right, right, guys, so that's it. Literally our last video of the Bully of Mexico. The next video will be the new owner coming to pick it up. The 7 days of country are over. Whew, thank goodness Big Country's ready to go home and take a nap, get some rest. But guys, don't forget, right now, the YouTube members, they're buying up all the spots. So if you are a member, be sure to go get your spot. If you're not a member, you might want to hit join and go ahead and get in so you don't miss your chance at the Bully of Mexico. If not, guys, April 18th, which is tomorrow, we're gonna be giving the Bully away. It's definitely gonna sell out. I just can feel it in my skin that the Bully's gonna be gone in less than 24 hours, guys. So without further ado, thanks for everything that y'all do for me. This is all because of y'all. I could not give this bike away if I didn't have subscribers, if I didn't have fans, if I didn't have you members. You guys' support is what make it possible for anything like this to happen. From the sponsors to the views to all the stuff that has to come together to be able to give away a freaking practically brand new motorcycle and a bunch of cash money. It's unreal to think. I never thought that I would have been able to get here. We started out on the journey with this motorcycle 2 years ago, and here we are talking about giving away such a huge investment. You never would convince me in 2023 that this is where we'd be in 2025, but you guys have kept it country. And now the biggest thing you got to do whenever you win my Bully of Mexico, you better keep my Bully country.